Hello everyone, in this video we will learn that is how to compare the pair of surds. This is from Maharashtra board 9th standard and we'll be solving this practice at 2.3 question number 5. Now let us first understand how we'll be comparing the given surds. Now here two surds are given. So first we'll take the given surd. Before that, students, let me just explain you all one concept. Now this is square root of 49. So now what is the square root of 49? That is 7, because 7 sevens will give you 49. So here we have got 7. Similarly, if we write this 7 in the form of this will give you 7 itself, that is square root of 49 will give you 7. So it is one and the same, multiplied by root. As you all know that we can multiply the given two surds. If they are under the radical sign, we can multiply these two given surds. If you multiply this 49, that is square root of 49 multiplied by square root of 2, it will give you root of 98. So we have got this 7 root 2 is equal to 98. Similarly, we'll be solving 5 root 3. Now, what is the square of 5? That is 25. So we'll put under radical sign and square root of 3 will remain as it is. Now we can multiply this 2, that is 25 multiplied by 3 will give you 75. As you can see, these surds were given in the simplest form. The order of both the surd is 2, right? Square root. So when the order of the surd is same, you can easily compare the given surd. So here both the orders are 2, so you can easily compare 98 and 75. So in simpler ways, 98 is greater than 75. So similarly here 98 is greater than 75. Now what was the actual value of 98 in the simplest form? That is 7 root 2. So therefore 7 root 2 is greater than, and the actual value of root 75 is 5 root 3. So this is how you will be comparing the given surds. Remember students, here I explained to you all that if the order of the surd is same, then you can compare the surds. Now here the order of the surds is same, that is 2. Here for both the surd they have the same order, that is 2. So no need to simplify it further. You can easily compare the given surds. That is here 247 is smaller than 274. Therefore square root of 247 is smaller than root of 274. Since the order is same, here the order of this surd is 2 and here the order of this surd is also 2. That is square root, right? So the order is 2. But this surd is in the simplest form. So that is why again we'll convert this. The square of, we'll put this 2, that is the whole number, into a radical sign, that is 4, because the square root of 4 will be 2. So it is one and the same, multiplied by root 7, this root 7. So 4 root 4 multiplied by root 7 will give you 28. So this is how we this simplified surd is converted into this form. Now here, as you can see, the radicals or the order is same and the base value is also same. So if the order and the base is also same, that means both the surds are equal. So 2 root 7 is equal to root 28. Again the method remains the same. The square of 5 is 25. So 25 into 5 will give us 125. 7 root 2. The square of 7 is 49. 49 multiplied by 2 will give you 98. Now order is same. The order of both the this side is 2. So you can easily compare the given numbers. Now here 125 is greater than 98. So therefore root 125 is greater than root 98. Very easy it is. So the actual question is, the simplest form is 5 root 5. So therefore 5 root 5 is greater than 7 root 2. This is the fifth question. Again in the same way we have written 4 root 42, that is the square of 416 multiplied by root 42, 672. Square of 9, 81 multiplied by root 2 will give you root 162. So you can easily, now the order is same. Here the order is 2, here the order is also 2. So root 672 is greater than root 162. So therefore this third is greater than this. Square root of 25 will give you 5 multiplied by root 3 will give you 75. Then we have this 9 as a whole number. So if you put this 9 into a radical sign, the square of 9 will be 81 and the square root of 81 will be equal to, so both are equal. So now we have got this as root 75 and this as root 81. Now we'll compare both. 75 is smaller than 81. So therefore root 75 is smaller than root 81. That means this root 5 root 3 is less than 9. In the last question, it was similar to question number 6. The square of 7 is 49. So square root of 49 will give you 7. Again this will give you root 20. So 49 is greater than root 20. So 7 is greater than 2 root 5.